Howdy! Are you also tired of Spotify showing you ads every few minutes, or do you want your Spotify to look like this? If yes, then my friend, you are at the right place. Hi there, this is Pizza, and today we are blowing up Spotify. Caution. Make sure you don't have the Microsoft Store version of Spotify on your PC. If you have it, then please uninstall it and install from the original website. The correct installation is shown in this video. First, head to the Spotify's official website and click on the download link. Download the installer, open your file explorer, and run the installer to correctly install Spotify. After that, go to this website called Spicetify.app. Click on this button or manually scroll down to this section. Here you can find the installation command. Copy the command for your system. Open your terminal and paste the installation command, hit enter and let it install. Make sure to select yes for Marketplace, it's kind of important. Once it's done, Spotify will open itself. Now you will see an extra button at the top left corner, click that, and you will be directed to the Spicetify Marketplace. Here you can download all kinds of extensions and themes for Spotify. The most important extension would be this one called Ad Blockify. This extension removes all kinds of ads from Spotify. Sounds unbelievable, right? This shows how powerful extensions can be. Aside from that, you can also install this Lyrics extension. By the way, Lyrics used to be available in the free version of Spotify. I also found this cool cat vibing extension. It adds a cat gif on the hotbar. Now for those who came for the custom themes, you're in for a treat. Spicetify has a very extensive list of themes. My personal favorite is this one called Burnt Sienna. It has this nice orange-gray aesthetic to it. If you prefer a hacker-like terminal theme, then this one is for you. It's called Text Dark Thamer. As you can see, it has a very cool terminal aesthetic to it. Even the buttons and text looks like it's from a terminal interface. The Lyrics, as you can see, also has the terminal-like aesthetic to it. You also have a variety of popular themes to select from, like Cat Puchin, Dracula, Nord, and my personal favorite, Tokyo Night. So that is it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Until then, peace out.
To strip a man of the right to dictate the sequence of his own sonic journey is to declare war on free will itself.
Man, shut the fuck up.